This exercise offers a lot of really valuable training material for every violinist, and I think should not be neglected, should definitely be looked at and played and studied thoroughly. And I hope that you enjoyed this little presentation. If you did, please hit the subscribe button and hit the like button. Those two buttons are located somewhere here below. And also, I ask you to visit my website where you can find more information about me and the lessons I teach online. As a new development, I started a Patreon page where you can check out some exclusive material that you will not see on YouTube. This is very new to me and I'm just experimenting with it. So hopefully you will visit my Patreon page. The link is also down here below, and find something that interests you. Hope to see you there. Thank you.